Good morning, students. Hope you are good. Today we are going to study email writing. Okay, and I will show you format of an informal email. This is an informal email format. Okay, so now I am writing and you have to follow this and practice this. Okay, because it may ask 3 marks, 4 marks or 5 marks question in the exams. Okay, for everything you have to start with box. You have to make box every time. For notice also you have to make box, and for email also you have to make box like this. Okay, so for mail you need, if you are writing email, so you need email address. Okay, so first it will come from. So from means email address of the sender. Email address of the sender of the email. Okay, first you have to write from, means who is sending the mail, sender or writer of the email. Okay, then it comes to second, first is from the email address of the sender of the email, who is sending the email. Then to whom you are sending, so receiver. Okay, receiver, to whom you are sending. Okay, learn it properly, understand it properly. So many times most of the students get confused. Okay, from to and from me. Okay, then it's come to CC. CC means address of other receiver. Address of other receiver, if any. Okay, we can call it carbon copy also. Okay, format of other receiver. Okay, address of other receiver means you want to send to the boss or CEO or the director, so you can mark that their email ID in this CC. Okay, now it comes to main. Subject. Okay, subject तो in 3 to 4 words. Subject should be every time in 3 to 4 words, not more than that. Okay, you don't have to write explanation in subject, only leave application, or you can write public part, any subject that related you are going to write the mail, that subject you have to write. Then it comes to means you have to start while writing dear sir or madam or whatsoever you want to start with the email. Okay, then it comes to body of the email. Then it's come to body of the mail, means in that what you will write. First you start with dear sir or madam or respected sir or madam or whatsoever it is. Then you have to start in that in body of the email you can write first paragraph, second paragraph and third paragraph. So in first para what you have to write is where about and updates of the sender. Where about and updates of the sender. Okay, now in second, यानी I am this writing from here and above. Okay, and in second para what you have to write? Purpose of email. What is the purpose of email? For that you are writing email. First paragraph is just about where about and updates of the sender. Okay, how are you? Hope you all are fine. I am this and I am writing from here and how are you? This all things comes. And in second paragraph you have to write purpose of email. And in third paragraph okay, in third para you have to write conclusion regards to elders or love or etc. In third paragraph what you have to mention? Conclusion, or you will write regards to the elders or love or to the young ones, because we are writing informal letter. This is informal letter, that's why we will conclude regards to elders and love to young ones or whatsoever. Okay, and with that I will extend this box little bit. Okay, I will extend this box. Okay, then last we will write closure. In last we will write closure. What it comes means cheers and regards XYZ or your name or ABC, whatsoever you want to write, you can write. Okay, and last, it's not every time necessary, but if it is there you can write attachment. Okay, attachment, so name of the attachment. If it is informal, so you want to share some files, information, photos, some links, so you can attach everything in that attachment. Okay, so this we have learned today about format of informal email. Informal, see, I am again and again I am telling you, it is an informal email. Okay, first you have to write from the email address of the sender of the email. Into you have to write receiver's email, CC address of the other receiver if we have. Okay, for example, if you are writing, it is an informal letter, so if you are writing the email to your younger brother or sister or anyone else in the family and you want to mark, so you can add your father, mother or other family members as a CC. Okay, and subject should only be in 3 to 4 words, not much than that. Okay, then you have to write dear sir or dear love, everything that comes under. Okay, it is formal, so it is not necessary to write dear or madam. Okay, dear brother or bro or whatever the sweet name you are calling, so you can write that. Then the body of the email, so you have to keep in mind in every time that it should be in 3 paragraph. For first paragraph is the whereabout, any updates or updates of the sender. Okay, in second, purpose of the email. Second paragraph, purpose of the email. For what you have returned the email to your family or any informal relatives. Okay, the third, in third paragraph you are concluding the email with regards to elders or love to bhai or baby or niece or nani and nana. Okay, anything. And in last, closer, cheers or regards to this XYZ name, and if any attachment, because attachment, if you want to attach some family photos, gathering photos, invitations, anything, so it will come under attachments. Okay, so this is the informal way or informal format of email. Okay students, got it?